In front of me is POCO C75, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. All you need to do is open Recorder app and use red button at the bottom to start recording. Then pause it or unpause it using this left one. Add a bookmark by clicking on the right one. And last but not least, to end it and save it, click on the middle one. Now to play your recording, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options, and to rename it, go back, hold your recording and choose rename option. Then type in whatever you want to, and select OK. To get rid of it, hold it again. This time choose delete in the pop-up and confirm your choice in the second one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!